Hey everybody, I go by the name Jason and I'm a certified framer designer. When I look at websites, there are two things I see that could easily be improved that most designers or developers overlook. And in this video, I'm going to share that and how you can solve them. So let's just jump right onto this website. This is a landing page I designed for Moment Studio, one of the best production houses in Canada, by the way. So imagine you open a beautiful website and then you mistakenly tap on something and end up selecting. You see, you can select the whole hero section and you want to go back and you don't know what to do. And I like just tap into select some text elements. And this is you doing that mistakenly. And it's not like a good experience for the user when these things happen. And you want to prevent that from happening. And most websites, I see them having that mistake. The second issue I've noticed with a bunch of websites is being able to drag elements on the page. So you're able to drag this, drag that, drag this. It's not like a good user experience. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop that from happening. So let's go to Framer and I have the page opened and I'm going to do it one after the other. So we have this image selected. All you can do is come to the properties panel and you'll see styles. Click on styles. We're going to go to draggable. It's already selected, but say I deselected. Let me just go to remove. So styles, draggable, and draggable set to no. Because once you set it to no, it means that the element won't be draggable on the canvas or in the browser. And that is how simple it is to solve the dragging issue. So I'm going to quickly do the other one. So go to styles, look for draggable and set to no if it's set to yes. By default, it should be set to no. And we're going to do the last one. I'm going to find it. Styles again, draggable, set to no. And now let's fix the issue with the scroll stopping content text where you can select it when you're in the browser. So we're going to select the element. Yep, we're going to select the element and we're going to come to styles, look for user select, and we can see select here and just choose none. And once you choose none, it takes that away. So let's save that. I'm going to update the page. I'm going to refresh this and let's see if it still exists. So I'm going to refresh that. Right. So now let's try selecting this. Trust me, I'm trying my possible best to select this. It's not moving an inch. Whereas if you select this, it selects itself, right? So you get the point. And the second thing is draggables. So you can see that now we can drag any of the images. So this is a very simple hack that adds that premium feel to your website. If you do this, you are going to elevate how people experience your website. So I hope this helped someone else there. I go by the name Jason, certified framer designer, and I'll catch you in another video. Peace out.